Eagle symbolizes success. Use it as a good luck charm for your business goals. Place it near the workplace or on the table south corner of fame and reputation, helping in setting the right alignment for auspicious energies to work effectively. Dining room in the southeast wealth sector. The blue rhinoceros is a great protection symbol. Place in the front door, on the shelf or other higher elevation, or in south facing at home, which is good for chi absorption and family harmony. Mandarin ducks are believed to be lifelong couples. Ideal placement. Place in the southwest love sector. It's also popular to place in the couple's bedroom in the southwest corner. Dragon carrying a ball in its claws represents good luck, prosperity and career success. Ideal placement. Placed in a variety of ways around the home or office. The best placement is on the east side of the room/office. The monkey is known to be very clever and talented and can outwit opponents. Placement. Southwest is the optimum direction for the monkey. If monkey is your zodiac sign, you can place the statue in the west to bring fortune. Horse with coins and ingots represents wealth, good fortune, nobility, stability, and vitality. Place this horse in the south corner of the room or office to get mobility, bring you the desired fame, respect, and popularity. Feng Shui Fu dogs or lion's dogs are a protection symbol. Ideal placement. Front of imperial palace and government offices, can be set on either side of your home/front door or business front entrance, as well, and personal guard dogs. Ladybug. The bug brings love, good weather or simply luck. Ideal placement. You can use this symbol in any sector you wish to activate prosperity luck. The snake is the symbol of intelligence and passion. Place it in the southwest sector of love and relationship, but can also be used in an area you wish to attract abundance or an inspiration of brilliance. The tiger is a daring person. Crane symbolizes longevity because of its long lifespan. If you wish to activate the health sector east of your home, place a crane in this area. Ox cow. The ox represents incredible strength. Place in any area of life you desire abundance, such as wealth sector southeast, career sector north, or beside a cash register. Bat. Feng Shui symbol of wealth. Place this in the southeast wealth sector of your home or office for business. Trunk up elephant symbolizes fertility and cure. Place in the north for career promotion or southwest for love or to celebrate a long-lasting current love. Dragon symbolizes power and wealth. Place at the front door to protect your home from burglary or the southeast wealth sector to protect finances. Monkey riding elephant will assist you to triumph over tough competitions in this cutthroat environment of business places today. Place it in the north sector or behind you. Hard work will pay off handsomely. The rooster represents courageous sign. They are quite bossy. The ideal placement in your career sector north, fame and recognition sector south, your love and relationship sector southwest, so it can pack away any barriers. Boar. Pig remains calm in the face of trouble and can handle things. Place in wealth luck sector southeast as collector of money in the form of piggy banks. Money frog. On tiger represents the yin energy with protection, courage and strength. Place the tiger facing outside or the main entrance. Keep it in the wealth corner, that is, the southeast. Resembles a strong, winged lion. Pixie is an earth and particularly an influential and auspicious creature for wealth. You can display them in your money area, your lucky direction for wealth, or simply in a prominent area of your living room. Phoenix has many incredible magical abilities, such as great strength, the ability to operate, and healing tears, symbol of strength and renewal. Place it in south corner of home. The phoenix is the celestial animal guarding the main entrance, or the front of the house. The cunning rat is a symbol of leadership. The ideal placement, as per Feng Shui theory, display it in the west sector. Feng Shui 3 galloping horses mean rapid growth and fast harvesting of solid ideas. Place it in the south corner / north or south of your home or workplace. Feng Shui King money toad for business good luck. Place it in the southeast luck sector to attract wealth and abundance. Inspire a personal windfall by placing a three-legged toad on the southeast corner of your work desk. Laughing Buddha is one of the most joyful Feng Shui symbols which brings good luck. It attracts happiness and fortune. Place it northwest side of living room or bedroom / place facing towards entrance or window for attracting wealth and blessing happiness. Dragon Gate carp fishes represent their determination to swim against the powerful current of the river. According to Feng Shui, the north sector, which is the creator of career opportunities, is best suited for placement of Dragon Gate. The number 7 represents children in Feng Shui, so a set of 7 elephants is a good luck omen for people trying to conceive. The ideal placement of this lucky charm is in the bedroom. Feng Shui tortoise represents protection against bad fortune. The ideal placement, east luck sector to attract good health / place in the north luck sector for career success. Wealth god on tiger is believed to be most powerful and effective Feng Shui cure. on elephant is believed to bring harmonious and successful life as well as longevity, strength and fertility. Place in the money area of your home for attract. This is the southeast corner of your space. The blue rhino and elephant are well-known Feng Shui symbols of protection. Rhino is a powerful symbol of protection against robbery as well as to counter the violent number 7 star in period. Place this object at your living room facing outside your door at home. For office, place in your reception area. As per Feng Shui, this dragon horse symbolizes for prosperity, longevity, success, illustrious offspring. Place in the house or office in the living room near the main door, but it should not face the main door directly.